Hello everyone, this is Peyami Kalyoncu. I'm the Consul General of Turkey in Hong Kong. I have started my tenure in Hong Kong as of September last year. We have been experiencing interesting times here and lately living through a globally challenging health crisis. I am personally very hopeful that Hong Kong, China and the world will get past this crisis soon. Even after the worst storms, the sun will shine again. So far, I love this dynamic city. Hong Kong is a very vibrant metropole where East and West meet and perfectly blend. In that sense, one could easily experience quite a number of similarities between Hong Kong and Istanbul, the two global superconnectors in their region. I would like to welcome all of you to the week dedicated to Turkey within the Around Asia in 80 Days project organized by Asia Society. We are pleased to be participating in this social media event, which will introduce and promote countries of Asia to people through online activities. Throughout the week of Turkey, you will discover the economy, food, history, geography, nature, and culture of Turkey, including art, films, and books. In the kids section, children will learn about Turkey's history and geography and the life of the founder of modern Turkish Republic, Mustafa Kemal Atatürk. We hope that all of you enjoy and benefit from this extensive social media event. Our consulate is always at your disposal. If you need to learn and discover more about Turkey, please follow and contact us through our Facebook and Twitter accounts. Thank you.